Welcome to our channel. Today we'll show you how to connect Google Ads to Google Analytics 4 step by step in a clear and professional way. Step 1. Check your accounts. Make sure you have active Google Ads and Google Analytics 4 accounts. You'll need admin access to the GA4 property and the Google Ads account you want to link. Step 2. Log in to Google Analytics 4. Go to analytics.google.com, select your GA4 property, and click Admin in the bottom left corner. Step 3. Navigate to Google Ads linking. Under the Product Linking section in the Property column, click Google Ads Linking. Step 5. Select the Google Ads account. Click the Link button and choose the Google Ads account you want to connect. You can link multiple accounts if needed. Step 6. Configure link settings. Enable auto-tagging to allow analytics to track ad campaigns accurately. Give your link a descriptive name if desired, and select the data streams where you want to send Google Ads data. Step 7. Review and submit. Double-check your settings, then click Next and Submit to finalize the connection. Your Google Ads account is now successfully linked to GA4. Your Google Ads account is now successfully connected to Google Analytics 4, enabling deeper insights and better ad optimization. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more digital marketing and analytics tutorials.